So we're almost done getting the deck built. The gentleman who's putting the deck together is going slow and steady and making sure everything's absolutely perfect because he knows it has to pass inspection. We got all our stairs done. We've got the cement supports in for the stairs, and it's gonna be looking amazing. It is so rock solid, oh my gosh. Look at these beautiful pickets that are gonna be hidden from the front inside place. So we're gonna be bringing a table and chairs up here for people to entertain themselves on. And I gotta brag about this view. It's just absolutely stunning from up here at top of the deck. So this is the southeast view of the property. And although there is a gas tank right here, we're doing the best we can to hide it with vegetation. And you get a nice view out into the woods. And pardon all the construction debris, that'll be gone pretty soon. And you'll be able to see the driveway. And just what a beautiful view. There's the sun is setting off into the west. And so the trees, believe it or not, provide some nice shade in the afternoon and evening. And the sun, there will be full sun on this deck during the day though. But it's about 8 foot deep and about 22 feet long. And this is definitely going to be a party deck.